So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover the lab that is filtering and sorting data in Looker. So most of you guys were facing issue on task number 2, but there was no such issue. Still I am here with a tutorial, and in this video we'll cover task number 2 only. For remaining tasks, do refer to the video pinned in description and on pinned comment. So now open Looker in incognito window. Now we will be using the username and password mentioned on the lab instruction. So make sure to check the username and password. So as you can see, these are the username and password. So basically in this lab we have to create three things. One, to create tables and rows, and secondly we have to create a filter. So for that, now we will, first of all, most important step, you should not miss that enabling of development mode. So as you can see, development mode is disabled. Just click on it and the entire page will refresh again and development mode will be enabled. So as you can see, finally the development mode toggle is enabled. Now from here, now we will perform task number 2 basically. So first of all, you need to click on explore, then click on flights. So on flights, everything will be completed, basically all tasks for task number 2 only. So wait for the page to load. So now here on the search box, you have to type count long flights. So just copy it carefully. You can type it manually or just select from here and paste here. So now just click on it, and finally it has been added to our visualization. Now we will create a total distance. Make sure there is no any extra space, and here two distances are there, but as per lab instruction, do check it. The total distance we have to select, not the total count one. So click on it. Now we have to finally click. Now we have to add name. So there are, for such name, there are multiple names, but we have to select under carriers and then dimension. So make sure to select under carriers and dimensions, not any other than. So now click on it. Now on the last step we have to add a filter. So basically the filter is percentage long flights. So copy it carefully, and you can either cross it and check via flights only. As you can see, when you scroll down you will see it, or you can just type in the search bar. So just type, or you can use the method I am doing. Now here you can see percent. So here we have to filter percentage long flights. So click on the filter icon. Now here you have to select is less than or equal to. So now select is less than or equal to. Now here the value will be 0.25. That is 0.25 only. Make sure to check it out. Now we will have to make some modifications. That is, we will change the visualization to table, and then we will toggle off round off numbers. So as you can see, turn it gray, and we have to toggle show row numbers. So finally we have toggled off. Now basically first we will run and we will save the look. So click on run. Meanwhile, from the lab instruction, copy the name and then copy the name carefully. Make sure there is no any extra space or dot. Now click on the gear icon and then click on save and click on save as a look. Make sure to click on save as a look. Now click on save after that. Finally, when you click on save, hit check my progress for the task, you will get the score without any issue. So for other tasks, do check the video in the description and also the pinned comment here. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.